Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can save a draft on Twitter, or now called X. So in order to do this, it's quite easy. All you need to do is open the app like this, then head over to your creating post basically, so click on the plus icon to start creating a post, and now you can literally type whatever you want. You can add a photo, doesn't really matter. Now what you need to do in order to save this as a draft is simply clicking on cancel at the top left. Don't worry, it will not cancel, it will give you this option called save draft. So all you need to do is click on save draft basically, just like this, and you've then saved it as a draft. In order to basically find that tweet once you have basically saved it as a draft, all you need to do is click on the plus icon again, and then you will see at the top right corner of your screen a new option appear called drafts. And then right here you will see all of your drafts you basically have over on Twitter. And yeah, that's basically all you need to do. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.